Welcome to this channel. We have the following question: find the integral of the first one, that is the integral of tan x dx. Okay, this is very simple. What we do in this case, tan is sine over what? Over cos x. That's this trig function. Tangent is sine over cos. Then the next thing to do now is to check for the derivative of this place. The derivative of this denominator is what? Is minus sine x, okay? Which is almost equal to the numerator. So in that case now, we are going to introduce that minus there, and whatever we introduce here, we need to cancel that out so that it will not be as if we are changing the form of the question, okay? And whenever the derivative of the denominator is equal to numerator, it's going to give us ln of what? Of the denominator, okay? And don't forget the minus outside here, and then plus what? Plus c. In that case now, we're going to have ln of what? Of this function to power minus 1, the minus here, okay? And that will be equal to what? Ln this minus 1 means 1 over cos. 1 over cos is what? Is sec x plus what? Plus c. Okay? The second part is integral of sec x dx. In this case now, there is no direct table for this. What will ensure that this one is in form of fraction? I mean the numerator and denominator. So we're going to multiply this by what? Sec x plus tan x all over what? Sec x plus what? Plus tan x dx. And the reason we are doing that, we want to ensure that by the time we go for the derivative of denominator, the derivative of denominator is going to be equal to that of what? To that of numerator. Okay? And that's our target. As at now, nothing has changed in the question. This one and this one cancel. Okay? We just use this expression to form a fraction. Okay? So in that case now, we now have integral of this one. Let it go in. That would what? Sec square x plus what? Sec x tan x all over what? Sec x plus what? Plus tan x dx. Let's u equal to this sec x plus what? Tan what? Tan x. So your du is equal to what? Derivative of this one will give you what? Will give you what? Sec x tan x, and this one will give us what? Sec square x. So we now have integral of this one will now become what? Du over what? Over u. Okay, and that's what? Ln what? Ln u plus what? Plus c. So let's return the u back, and that will be equal to ln. My u is what? My u is sec x plus what? Plus tan x plus what? Plus c. Then the last one, integral of tan square x dx. There is no direct table for this one, so we're going to use a trig identity. 1 plus tan square x is equal to what? Sec square x. So in that case now, let's make this one the subject. So tan square x is equal to what? Sec square x minus 1. So our question now will be equal to what? Will be equal to sec square x minus what? Minus 1 dx. So in that case now, if we integrate this, that will give us what? Tan x. If you integrate 1 with respect to the function, minus what? Minus x. So plus c. So and that's that on this question. Please begin to what? Type your comments, click on like button, and finally share the links of this video on all your social media platform. And if you're new on this channel, please kindly click on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Okay, thank you for that.